Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, July the 6th, 2022. The fourth puzzle is a tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. Yes, cyberblock. What a strange name, cyberblock. Yes, with 4 stars. Yes, but this tectonic will be number 4812. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've already counted 13 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be an easy one. But for a 4 stars tectonic or cyberblock, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more for 4 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? As here dual box, their dual box contains the 1 and the 2, but here I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also I cannot fill those numbers, but let me mark those 2 boxes. I do not know in which order. Here another dual box, the 1 and 2. Let me mark those. More dual boxes? No, triple boxes then. Do we have triple boxes? Let me scan. Do we have here triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Quadra boxes. Where are you? No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Or let me start with the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. We have an L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Alright, so here, this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another L shape. A lot of L shapes. Well, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Okay. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Only one T shape. Alright, then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction or the shape? Well, this is an S. If you flip this or mirror this, then you get the Z. Alright, let me draw this here. Alright, when you see the S or the Z shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only one S or Z construction. Yes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Yes. This shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Then, do we have more of this kind of shapes? Well. No, only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape? this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, this shape. Let me draw this here. Alright. Can you see this? Yes. Can you see this? Yes. We can see this shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Here. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the shapes that you need to recognize are in this puzzle. Maximum are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. All right, these two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area, 4 numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 3. Alright, this box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So we have a pair now in this L shape, the 2 and the 3. Alright. Then. Let me see. Well, this box can be 1, can be 4, can be 5. So 2 numbers are left. The 2 and the 3 again. 2 and the 3 is connected with that box. Should be also 2 and the 3. Okay. These two boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Well, this box can be 3, so that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. That box is connected with this box, should be a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1 and a 2. Let me mark those 1 and a 2. Alright, these two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Well, these two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Connected with this box should be also a 2. Connected with that box should be also a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. A 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Alright. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 3. is connected with that box should be also 3. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. 2 boxes left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5, can it be 5? These 3 boxes surround the 5, can it be 5? So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Then these 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that that box in this dual box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes here. Alright, this box, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers are 1 and 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and 1. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4, it should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2, 1 and 2. That means that this box can be a 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 here, double 2 there. If I fill a 1 here, I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. Same for the 2. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box give me 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 1 there, so this box give me 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for the number 4. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4, it goes. They are finished in 50 minutes, exactly. Wow, 30 minutes for 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Oh, 1 star, yes, exactly 50 minutes. Alright. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlist for the binaries, playlist for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and also for the samurai Sudoku, aka quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Yeah, we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.